AVS in-channel vent visor install with factory auto-up feature. Be sure to follow the provided instructions for installation for your specific vehicle. Hold the vent visor in place and pull on the free ends of the tape liner to remove. Apply pressure to the back surface of the tape flanges to begin adhesion. Slowly raise the glass while holding the visor up in the channel. On vehicles equipped with the auto-up feature, you will need to toggle the window switch up to temporarily disengage the safety feature, so that the window can securely seat against the visor. If the visor does not seat correctly, lower the glass and repeat while gently pulling outward on the bottom of the visor. Note, it is critical to leave all windows raised for 72 hours to ensure proper adhesion to the window channel.